Hi guys, in today's video we'll be reviewing the Brustro metallic watercolors which come in 12 shades. They come in this beautiful tin half pan box and the MRP on the box is 1299, but I got it on a discount from the Creative Hands website. Also guys, this is not a paid promotion, so my review is 100% honest. I will be swatching these colors out on white as well as black paper. Brustro has also sent this tryout pack of 300 GSM cold press paper with the metallic watercolors, so we'll be using a paper from this pack itself. Let's get started. The first color I'm swatching is Pearl Silver. I've realized that these colors take a little while to activate, and I think this is going to need 2 coats as well, but I think that's probably because I haven't used that color a lot, and once you start using it I think it'll activate faster. The color is pretty opaque on black paper as well. The next color we're looking at is Pearl Gold. It's a little yellowish and it looks kind of yellow on white, but it does look pearl gold on the black paper. So this is the color why I bought the set in the first place, Gold Deep. It's a beautiful color and I really like it. It looks stunning on white paper as well as black paper. This is another shade that I really love. It's Bronze Shimmer. It's kind of a rich gold, but it looks beautiful on any paper. And also guys, these paints are also very opaque when you paint on top of watercolors or gouache. They work wonders. The next color is Copper Shimmer. It's a decent color. I do like it. I think they could have done a better job with the pink. It's an okayish color. I'm not very happy with it. The next color is Amethyst Purple. So this color guys is a color shifting tone. So it looks kind of pinkish purplish on a white paper, but it looks completely blue on a black paper. So I'm confused because it doesn't quite look purple. So the next one is Sapphire Blue. It looks really good on white paper. The blue is very much visible, but it's not as visible on black paper. I'm noticing the same thing with this shade, Mystic Blue. In fact, this shade is looking kind of silver on black paper, although the color is showing on white paper. The next shade is Blue Green and I'm noticing the same thing. It's looking kind of silver on black paper. The color is showing on white paper though. This one is a really beautiful shade. It's moss green and it looks stunning on black and white, both papers. I really like it. It's very opaque and it's nice and shimmery. I really love this color. And we've reached the last one. This is Graphite Metallic. It's a black, but it looks like a charcoal grey sort of tone because it has the glitter in it, right? It looks pretty good on both black and white paper. Let me just show you a few of the artworks where I have used the Brustro Metallic watercolors. They are really nice for creating galaxies and stars. I really love using them for that. The overall review, I think, is that it's a good set and I really like it. I think it's worth the price, but I'm a little disappointed with a few shades here and there and how they look on black paper. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.